Okay, so this is the iSteady V3 right now. This one, from Hohem. It's the one with the detachable remote. So I can just do that and it goes up. It's focused, there we go. So you can change the mode on it. So that will now lock onto it. Which is really impressive. Change it. Yeah, it's got the same modes, pretty similar. It's just missing one, I think. Oh no, it's got all the modes actually. And then that's your POV mode. So let's do the spin test. Ooh, that's, yeah. And then that's locked, so it doesn't work the same. And then put it on pan. And then that does look a bit better. Pan to follow, similar to pan, and then back to POV. So yeah, it's quite good. Pop that back in. And then we do have the light as well. So let me hit my light. My light's up. If I turn this light on. Okay, so this is, wow. Wow, this is a lot brighter. I think I just didn't get it all the way up on the last one, but this is incredibly bright. So if I turn this all the way down though, it's basically not there. But yeah, it's got a scroll wheel, a little scroll wheel on the side rather than a giant big knob on the side. It's quite different, but I really like this one. It's very compact and it's got the same movement AI tracking thing. Let me take, there you go, right, okay. So if I just, I think it's that, no? 1, 2, is it? One sec, let me check the here. So it comes with like a little picture thing, and then if I can get this open, one hand. It's got a YouTube video, Facebook post, QR code that you can scan. And then it comes with a little instruction book, all the things. So let me open that up. Let's try out the tripod as we're at it. So let me face it so it's looking, down. So yeah, you can still use your thing to control it. So that should be looking right. So you've got like a little booklet here of all the stuff. So here are your things. So you've got start, stop, customize composition, I'm not sure what that means, shutter control, Bluetooth connection needed, landscape and portrait. So if I'm in front of it now, it should. Hello, do you want to look up a bit maybe? Try this. You might not be looking at me right. Try that now. No? 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 Okay, so I can't get that one to work as easy. It's definitely got a noticeable difference. That's a bit odd. Because that is on here. So let's try that. Ah, so it does work. I just can't get this hand sign. Oh, there we go. So we've also got the one where it tracks your face as well here. And yes, I do have the remote, but I'm not touching it. And it's still following me. It's very impressive. Look, so if someone else walks in, it'll still manage to track my face and know that it's me. So I do that, it should stop. So yeah, it's overall pretty similar. I think the most noticeable difference was when you're walking around with it, holding it. It also doesn't have the extended bit at the bottom, and it's a bit more difficult to do. I just did it first time, but it's a bit more difficult to do hand signals with it. It's, for the price difference, really if you're looking for something to just use occasionally or like just while you're out or something, I'd definitely go with the V3. This one here, because it's a more budget option. Not that it's bad, and it's very portable as well. It's got loads of features here on the back, it shows you. Look, even with putting this at the side, nothing distracting. It's very good AI. I can definitely vouch for them. And then you've got your remote with modes and stuff. I don't know, but then I'm not sure how you zoom in and out on this one. Let me check. Is it that? Wait, stop. Right, let me check turn around. Yeah, so it's the up and down buttons on here to zoom in and out. Don't think you can see them, but there's little buttons at the top and bottom of that. And that's how you zoom in and out. Let me put it back to 1. Right, okay, so let's test the range on this little connected thing. So, still works at this range. And I'm at the other side of my kitchen, and it's still working. So, it's got very good range. Not that you'd really leave this thing, it's sort of the thing that you'd want to. So, let's see how far it can track me and my face. So, it's doing fine over here. If I turn around for a minute, oh, over there. If I move, I want to test if it works. It does, it tracks me even if I'm moving without my face at it. This is very impressive. Let's test the limitations. So, literally, I've just gone all the way around. It's still tracking me. It's very impressive. Yes, this is filmed on iPhone 16 Pro. So they do have built-in stabilization, but nothing compared to these beasts. Like, even though this one's small, it's very mighty, and it will definitely improve videos. If you're more professional, I'd say this, because the M6 can also, you can charge your phone through it. So if you're going for like a long time, you can hook up a cable and charge your phone. It's really impressive. The AI capability for face tracking and stuff is very, very impressive, and I do think it's a good feature. So let's keep, I'm gonna look on here. I did put the remote back, no I didn't, it's here. I've got the little remote stuff on here. So how does this work? So on here, you can turn on the fill light. I don't know why it stopped tracking my face. So you can turn on the fill light. See what else we got. So, oh wait, let me just, is it that way? Yeah, okay, see, like, depending on which way you do your thumbs is how it looks. So you can't see it with this one because it's not got as many motors, but the main motor is here out of view, which is good, so you don't have to adjust it. So I think now, does that zoom it in? No, it doesn't, okay. I'm not sure what that does. And then obviously you've got your moving. So up and down for zoom, tilt and brightness. I'm not sure how you do that. That button, you have your different things. There's a lot of different stuff for all the different categories. So very impressive. Even just this little remote can do loads. So it shows how much the battery is on. So green means 100 to 50%. Yellow means 20 to 50. Low battery. Quick flash means shutting down soon. Mine, it's on yellow, and I think we got it out of the box. One sec. Got it out of the box about probably an hour. We've not been filming constantly because we've been using this mainly, but the battery has gone down quite a bit. When I last checked the M6, it hadn't gone down at all, so it was still on the same battery level, which I think is very good. They all connect relatively easily through the app. So yes, I definitely think these are worth your money. Depends what you're going for. Don't know what we were going to keep. But thank you for watching.